Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to Watch and Learn Hindi. This video is part 12 in a series of videos that all together will cover 1000 Hindi words, their pronunciation, their meaning in English, and examples of how to use them in Hindi sentences. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this video, check out some of my other videos. If you would like to support the channel, you can either buy me a coffee, the link is in the description, or buy a super thanks, which you can find on your screen right below this video. And don't forget to like the video. Let's start. Universe, Brahmand.
Brahmand.
Some people think that our universe is one of many. कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि हमारा ब्रह्मांड कई में से एक है. Now this sentence is quite long, so let me explain it in a little detail. Log is people and kuch is some. So kuch log is some people. Brahmand, as you just learned, means universe. So hamara Brahmand is our universe. And kai mein se ek means one of many. As you can see, it is not word-to-word translation. Let me break it up for better understanding. Kai is many, mein is in. So kai mein is in many. Se is from, ek is one. So se ek is one from. Now if you combine them, kai mein se ek is one from in many. So you see that the sequence of the words is not the same in English and Hindi, but it conveys the same meaning as one of many.
कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि हमारा ब्रह्मांड कई में से एक है. Some people think that our universe is one of many. Space as in outer space. Antariksh.
Antariksh.
As far as we know, space is unlimited. जहां तक हम जानते हैं, अंतरिक्ष असीमित है. Here, असीमित is unlimited.
जहां तक हम जानते हैं, अंतरिक्ष असीमित है. As far as we know, space is unlimited. World, विश्व और दुनिया.
विश्व, दुनिया.
Our world is divided into many countries. हमारा विश्व कई देशों में विभाजित है. Here कई means many and विभाजित is divided.
हमारा विश्व कई देशों में विभाजित है. Our world is divided into many countries. Earth, पृथ्वी.
पृथ्वी.
Earth is the third planet of our solar system. पृथ्वी हमारे सौर मंडल का तीसरा ग्रह है. सौर मंडल is solar system. तीसरा is third. ग्रह is planet.
पृथ्वी हमारे सौर मंडल का तीसरा ग्रह है. Earth is the third planet of our solar system. Continent. महाद्वीप.
महाद्वीप.
Asia is a continent. एशिया एक महाद्वीप है.
एशिया एक महाद्वीप है. Asia is a continent. State. राज्य.
राज्य.
तमिलनाडु is a state of India. तमिलनाडु भारत का एक राज्य है. Here, Bharat is the Hindi name of India.
तमिलनाडु भारत का एक राज्य है. तमिलनाडु is a state of India. City. नगर और शहर.
नगर, शहर.
Which city are you from? आप किस शहर से हैं? Here आप is you, किस is which.
आप किस शहर से हैं? Which city are you from? Metropolis. महानगर.
महानगर.
Mumbai is a metropolis. मुंबई एक महानगर है.
मुंबई एक महानगर है. मुंबई is a metropolis. Village. गांव.
गांव.
My village is very beautiful. मेरा गांव बहुत सुंदर है. Here बहुत is very, सुंदर is beautiful.
मेरा गांव बहुत सुंदर है. My village is very beautiful. Farmer. किसान.
किसान.
My grandfather was a farmer. मेरे दादा और नाना किसान थे. Here दादा is paternal grandfather and nana is maternal grandfather.
मेरे दादा किसान थे. मेरे नाना किसान थे. My grandfather was a farmer. Field. खेत.
खेत.
She used to grow rice in her field. वह अपने खेत में चावल उगाती थी. Here, वह refers to she. चावल is rice.
वह अपने खेत में चावल उगाती थी. She used to grow rice in her field. Hut, झोपड़ी.
झोपड़ी.
There is a hut near the field. खेत के पास एक झोपड़ी है. Here, खेत is field, पास is near.
खेत के पास एक झोपड़ी है. There is a hut near the field. Well, कुआं.
कुआं.
There is a well behind the hut. झोपड़ी के पीछे एक कुआं है. Here, as you already learned, झोपड़ी is a hut. पीछे is behind.
झोपड़ी के पीछे एक कुआं है. There is a well behind the hut. Bucket, बाल्टी.
बाल्टी.
I want a big bucket. मुझे एक बड़ी बाल्टी चाहिए. Here, बड़ी is big.
मुझे एक बड़ी बाल्टी चाहिए. I want a big bucket. रोप. रस्सी.
रस्सी.
Tie the rope to the bucket. रस्सी को बाल्टी से बांध दो. Here, बाल्टी is bucket.
रस्सी को बाल्टी से बांध दो. Tie the rope to the bucket. Lake, झील.
झील.
Saambhar Lake is a saltwater lake. सांभर झील खारे पानी की झील है. Here, खारे पानी is salt water.
सांभर झील खारे पानी की झील है. सांभर लेक is a saltwater lake. Pond, तालाब.
तालाब.
There is a small pond behind my home. मेरे घर के पीछे एक छोटा तालाब है. पीछे, as you learned, is behind. घर is home and छोटा is small.
मेरे घर के पीछे एक छोटा तालाब है. There is a small pond behind my home. Sky, आकाश और आसमान.
आकाश, आसमान.
Today, sky is clear. आज आसमान साफ है. Here, आज is today, साफ is clear.
आज आसमान साफ है. Today's sky is clear. Moon, चंद्रमा.
चंद्रमा.
Moon is a satellite of Earth. चंद्रमा पृथ्वी का उपग्रह है. पृथ्वी, as you learned earlier, is Earth. उपग्रह is the natural satellite.
चंद्रमा पृथ्वी का उपग्रह है. Moon is a satellite of Earth. Full moon. पूर्णिमा.
पूर्णिमा.
Today is full moon. आज पूर्णिमा है. As we already learned earlier, आज is today.
आज पूर्णिमा है. Today is full moon. New moon. अमावस्या और अमावस.
अमावस्या, अमावस.
Diwali is celebrated on new moon. दिवाली अमावस को मनाई जाती है.
दिवाली अमावस को मनाई जाती है. Diwali is celebrated on new moon. Snow. Him.
Him.
I have never seen snow. मैंने कभी हिम नहीं देखी.
मैंने कभी हिम नहीं देखी. I have never seen snow. Winter. सर्दियाँ.
सर्दियाँ.
Winter is coming. सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं.
सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं. Winter is coming. Summer. गर्मियाँ.
गर्मियाँ.
Summer comes after spring. गर्मियाँ वसंत के बाद आती हैं. वसंत is spring.
गर्मियाँ वसंत के बाद आती हैं. Summer comes after spring. Road. सड़क.
सड़क.
This road goes to my home. यह सड़क मेरे घर जाती है. Here, यह is this, घर is home.
यह सड़क मेरे घर जाती है. This road goes to my home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notification when a new video is posted.